How to replace a DISH Trav'ler LNB. You will need the following tools to replace the LNB: a 3/8 and 7/16 wrench and a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. If the antenna is not already raised up off the roof, press and hold power for 3 seconds to turn on the interface box. Allow the antenna to raise up so the feed arm is at least parallel to the roof. Now press power and select at the same time to power off the interface box. Now unplug the interface box. On the roof, begin by using your 3/8 wrench to loosen the 4 nuts that hold the LNB guard in place. Now remove the 2 Phillips screws that are securing the LNB to the integrated adapter. Carefully slide the LNB out from the integrated adapter and disconnect the 3 cables from the LNB using a 7/16 wrench. If installing a Dish Pro Plus LNB, connect the 3 cables running through the integrated adapter to ports 1 through 3 in any order on the replacement LNB. If installing a Dish Hybrid LNB, using the supplied dual coax cable, connect the ends with the red heat shrink wrapping to port 1 on the LNB and port C on the Trav'ler turret. Connect the black coax cable to port 2 on the LNB and port A on the Trav'ler turret. Tighten each cable until finger tight, then use a 7/16 wrench to tighten a quarter turn more. Slide the LNB into the integrated adapter and reinstall the 2 screws. Now retighten the 4 nuts securing the LNB guard in place. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your DISH Trav'ler LNB.